name is Miss Remake, and today I'm gonna show you how to make Easter eggs. I'm gonna make them really beautiful, and I'm gonna use just natural ingredients like blueberries and red onions and red cabbage. As you can see, my friends are still in quarantine. Not baby Trump, but I mean,
I'm the president of the world.
So I'm gonna start with just taking a little bit of the peel. I'm gonna wrap it around the egg. I'm gonna use foil. And I'm gonna take this there. And then I'm gonna boil it together. And I'm gonna try to make some kind of a pattern, like polka dot pattern with the blueberries. We'll see if I will manage. Let's hope so. Cross my finger. So my advice for you is to, when you think about when you get stains on your clothes, what stains the most? And you can use that. So that's kind of food or like berries or different vegetables that has like really lots of color in it. This is Swedish blueberries. They're really strong in the color, so my fingers will probably look really crazy afterwards. Okay, that's one. A knife would have been a good idea, but actually I didn't think about that. It's really stupid. It's okay. I have to use my nails. Actually, this one, I had a little accident. So I put this little plastic tablespoon to protect my nail because it really is like a fake nail that got torn in a little accident. So I really hurt my finger here. And since it's Corona time, I haven't really gone to a nail salon, so I have to have less beautiful nails at the moment, but it's okay. I mean, doesn't really matter actually. So I have problems with this. It's gonna be easier. So this is what you're not supposed to do. You're not supposed to peel it really bad like I do. You're supposed to have large parts of the onion. And then you take the egg. And I take some blueberries. I'm gonna try to have just blueberries and one also. Let me see if there's any difference.
I could do it so much better. I could do it so much better.
Okay, so that's the last one. And my fingers are really a big mess. But I'm rather rich because I have lots of toilet paper here. So I'm just gonna undry it a little bit so I don't stain everything. they will foil for about 8 minutes or something like this. So now, okay, I will keep track of time. This is exciting actually. Now we just wait and see.
I could do it so much better.
Oh, really? But it's okay. I mean, I think they will be really beautiful. That's what I think.
I'm the president of the world.
He's always so negative and he always thinks that he knows best. It's unbelievable. He's like an expert, but he's just a baby. How can he be an expert? Baby Trump, you think you know it all, don't you? You're an expert of this too? I don't think so. Okay, so soon it's time. And you're actually not the president anymore. Thank God.
Fake news, everybody. Fake news, everybody.
Okay, the power is off. I'm gonna remove the eggs now. It's been 8 minutes. This is really exciting, I think. It's like magic. I will leave them here just a little bit. Look! Amazing! Look at this. It's so beautiful. Like a piece of art. It looks almost like it's been aquarelle or something, like paint, but it's just natural. This is more pink. Whoa, look at this. This was really cool. More like green, but with blue dots. Blue dots is the blueberries. Okay, so the eggs are finished and I think they look really beautiful. Natural colors. Just vegetables. That's it.
I could do it so much better.
So you can try this at home. And I wish to you, from all of my friends, well, happy Easter. Let's see you soon. Bye. Send me your videos of your remake tricks and I will post them on my Instagram, Miss Remake. See ya! Bye!